What's up, everybody? Today we're going down to the river to try to get some catfish. Me and John are going to meet up with a guy, Eric, who runs Dobson Dynasty here on YouTube. Check out his channel. Link's going to be down below. We're going to go and do a little collaboration, see if we can get some footage for each other's channels. Just hopefully have a good time. So the goal today is to use meat. So we're going to use chopped up pieces of stewed steak. I'm going to cut up some chicken breasts as well. Catfish is going to go for the stuff super easily. We also got some worms and probably bring a bass rod or two and just see what else we can catch while we're out there. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and let's go get some cats. So we're going to cut up this meat into little chunks. And that way, whenever we get down there, we can very easily hook it to a rod. And we're just using regular chicken breast here for this. And the meat has been sitting for a few extra days than it probably should have, so that's going to be nice and a little bit of raunchy. Alright, so let's ask a question. When fishing for catfish, what do you like to use? What is your favorite bait? A lot of people have their own special recipes that they concoct, or some people swear by lifelong secrets. I know a guy who only fishes with snail. And it works. My brother started fishing with snail for catfish, and he definitely catches them. I personally do not like touching catfish, or not catfish, snails. So you won't see me using snails anytime soon. Alright, today we're going to be fishing down underneath this bridge over here. Water's up really high. It's been raining pretty heavily lately. We're just waiting for John to get here, and a guy from YouTube, host of Dobson Dynasty. Eric Dobson will be down here joining us for fishing this morning. Eventually we'll see him down here. Don't know exactly what time these guys are getting here, but in the meantime, I'm going to be putting away some catfish today. Hopefully we'll catch a good number of them for y'all. Well, while we're making our way down to the cat spot, might as well do a couple of bass. That wasn't good. Let's see if we can get a strike while we're here. The water's really muddy right now from all the rain we've been having. So that's not good. Definitely taking me back some. And there goes the snake. If Joel was here, he'd be gone by now. And there's John. He's a little late, but he's here. What you got there, John? What you bringing to the party?
Water, beer.
The essentials.
What's up?
The essentials.
I got one Powerade if you want it.
So we got John here now. We're just waiting on Eric to get here. God only knows what he's bringing to the party today. Here we see John in his natural habitat, performing his ritual. He spins a few times. Slowly, he puts it back on the ground. Looking for his prey, John bends over and is readying the flight test. Alright, so today John's joining us, but he's over there setting up his rods. We're also joined by Eric of Hobson Dynasty on YouTube. I've said it right all morning. It's the first time I got it wrong. So tell us a little bit about it, Eric.
So pretty much what we do is we do a whole lot of fishing, and then we do a lot of dirt bike riding and stuff too, and we play a lot of paintball.
A lot of paintball.
When we got the money too.
Like more paintball than you'd believe.
Yeah.
So Eric's new here to Waco. He just moved here about 4 weeks ago and contacted me on YouTube, and love to take the opportunity to fish with new people, show them some of the spots that we go to. We're doing some catfishing this morning. I got one already and a few more bites, so hopefully it's gonna be a productive morning as far as catfishing goes. Catfish, turtles, bass if we're lucky we'll bite. So I'm gonna ask, today's question is, if you could fish one type of fish for the rest of your life, what would you fish for?
Can I fish all type of subspecies in the specific species?
One type of fish for the rest of your life, what would you fish for? So while he's thinking about that, I'll say, me personally, I would probably move down to the coast and fish for giant reds. I've been trying to catch reds, haven't caught one yet. I've caught just about everything else, but I will eventually catch redfish, and I will be proud of it.
Probably bass.
Largemouth, smallmouth?
Yes.
One type.
Largemouth.
Largemouth. Good fish to catch. We catch them all the time, so I'm not as excited about those anymore. Smallmouth are fun to fish for. I want to catch some Guadalupe when I get a chance.
Yeah.
Sorry, we've been getting bites out here, so we're going to keep doing some more fishing and get back to it. We'll catch up with you guys here. Alright, we're fishing for catfish. I've got my first bite. We're about to see if we can set the hook on this guy. I got 2 bites, one on each reel. Looks like it's starting to come back, so I might have it on this one. Yeah.
I think he's got both of them.
Oh, I'm underneath it. There we go. All right, first fish of the day. Low cat. Target fish. Accomplished. All right, there we go, man. A little. He's croaking. He's a croaker. And he got that hook down in there too. I had a bite on both of my rods, man.
You're still getting a bite on that rod.
Am I?
Yeah.
So I'll say that, just for the record, I absolutely hate touching catfish. Like, it's probably my least favorite fish in the world to touch.
I like to eat them when they get a little bit bigger.
Oh yeah, you can't keep them that size.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here we go. I'm about to try to set this. Come on. Hit again, hit again, hit again.
I've never seen catfishing be so productive.
You just gotta know your spot, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so they're hitting on that steak, but might be too big of a piece of steak. We'll see. Just had a second bite on the chicken. Nothing. Dang it. Got overzealous. Let's wait. Try again. Uh-oh.
Dropped it. It's back.
You got it? They're biting on the steak, but starting to see some hits on the chicken rod again. Come on, keep going. Don't stop now. There it is. Maybe. It's still hitting. All right, we'll try here in a second. Eric's got a pretty good bite. No, it's coming back. It's coming back. You got it, dude. Get it? All right, Eric's got a bite again. Maybe he'll finally catch it this time.
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, we'll see. There, it's still there. Still biting. Still hitting. There it is. There it is. Whoa, whoa now.
Get
Get it. All right, so let's jump to John and ask him. Question of the day. Fish you could catch for the rest of your life.
I don't know. I'll probably have to say bass as well. Largemouth bass.
Nice safe answer. See, these guys are not thinking outside the box. They're wanting to fish inside their comfort zone.
Well, I like
Keep catching what you only catch. I see.
Exactly.
Mix it up, man.
Why leave fish for fish?
Think about it. Go catch sharks. If you catch sharks for the rest of your life,
Catch a freaking megalodon. If I can be successful.
freaking megalodon.
All the time.
Every time.
That's in my backyard.
So today's John's birthday, so everybody wish John a happy birthday while we're at it. Happy birthday, John. 40 years old today.
Yeah,
Man,
40 years old.
where's the time go?
Yeah, can't even tell.
Well, you can. Yeah, yeah. It's in the eyebrows. You got the eyebrows of a 40-year-old. All right, so at this point, the video is running pretty long, so we're going to cut it here and make it a two-part video, so we'll upload the rest of it later on in the week. I want to give a shout out again to Eric Hobson. I know I've said Dobson this whole video like an idiot, but it's Eric Hobson. Check out his YouTube channel at Hobson Dynasty. He's got some pretty cool fishing videos on there. Again, he's new to Waco, so y'all show him some love. Subscribe to him, give him some thumbs up, let him know that we're here to support.